Okay, we're going to talk quickly about overlapping shapes. Now, this is a really important tool that we can use, and it's a simple tool. But as beginners, we tend to put things in isolation. So say I have a shape here, and I have a shape over here. So I see a lot of landscape painters, they'll put a rock here, and kind of maybe one over here. But we don't know, that doesn't establish a whole lot of depth. But even, if I start to do something like this and erase out this little spot right here, now we've automatically established that this is in front of that and that is in front of that. We've just created some depth there, and that's what we want to always look for. We want to look for ways to overlap some shapes. So then when we start to add some value, we haven't even dealt with any sort of perspective. We just add a little bit of tone here. Maybe this could go even a little bit darker right there, just to come forward a little bit. And then back here. See how that you just know that this is closer to us than that. And that's all we did, was just create an overlap between these two shapes. So that's something you want to look for. If things are looking flat, look at overlapping shapes, and that will help create some depth. So now here's an example of a plein air painting that I did, and just in order to establish depth, you can see how this shape here overlaps that shape, this shape overlaps that shape, this one overlaps this house, and this overlaps that, this overlaps there, and that, those are key factors in establishing the depth of the piece.